We're gonna be surprising Jonathan's daughter, Audrey, with a new aquarium.
I'm 8. I've been keeping it since I was 5.
Audrey, this won't do. Follow me. Whoa! Look who's here. You got attacked by a bear. How are you doing, George? It's Corey. Today we're here in Dallas, Texas because we're gonna be surprising Jonathan's daughter, Audrey. You guys probably don't know Jonathan, but Jonathan works on AQUARIUM with us. His daughter is a big fan of the videos. Jonathan, come out here. What does she know?
She knows that you're coming over to see her tanks and just see what she's got going on.
But she doesn't know that we're gonna be surprising her with a new aquarium.
We got Jacob, we got Corey,
Hey!
we got John, we got Evie, we got Brandon. You guys should know this. All my OG people on this channel should know who Brandon is.
But there is one thing that I need everyone to do because I brought it from Chicago and it weighs a lot.
So much merch.
Squirrel Fish Club t-shirts! Ah! I'm so excited. Wait, this is an extra large.
I only brought extra large.
Dude, it's George's underwear. Right now, if you comment below, we will send you an autographed pair.
Those are Stop it, Sean. You're embarrassing me.
Woo! Woo!
What'd you say?
Dude, this merch is dope. Where do I get more of these?
Funny you asked that, Sean. You can actually get it at coralfish12g.com.
All right, let's go.
Who is this? What's your name? Audrey?
I'm Audrey from This Girl Fish Girl.
So your dad told me that you just set up your new YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You're gonna do your first video, right? So you're gonna show me all your aquariums. What is that one? That one looks really good. Are you freshwater or saltwater?
I do both.
She can do both.
It's impressive.
I'm Audrey from This Girl Fish Girl, and this is my reef tank. I have a bunch of cool corals in here. That's an acan, that's a green star polyp, that's a mushroom, that's a torch, that's a bird's nest sticky thing.
Wait, what was that?
A bird's nest sticky thing.
Just wanted to confirm we were on the same page about
That's a hammer, and then these are some zoas. Those are the blastos, my favorite. I love blastos. Yeah, those are really pretty.
This is so impressive, Audrey. You know like the names of all of these corals. How old are you?
8.
And you know all the names of pretty much everything in your tank here.
We also have these fish.
Do you name all your fish?
Yes.
What are their names?
Alexa and Siri.
Alexa and Siri. Have you been watching too much TV?
No. I just named one Alexa, and I couldn't figure out a name for the other one, so somebody said I should name it Siri.
How long have you had this tank?
A few weeks.
That is so impressive.
You're doing a really good job.
But
Yeah.
this is her beta tank that she really likes.
That's Xavier. This is one of my favorite tanks.
It is your favorite tank?
Yeah, I love my little beta.
Is it mean to call like 9-year-olds freshwater scrubs?
Nope.
All right. Well then you're a freshwater scrub.
I'm freshwater scrub, and I have no clue what that means.
Yeah, I love it. I'm one too.
So tell me more about this tank.
We have some plants in here. They're pretty.
They are pretty. I like this one. And how long have you had this tank for?
We've had it for a while. We got this beta a few months ago.
And what about this tank right here?
This was the literal tank I started with. It's gone through a lot. I've had it for like 2 or 3 years. This was the tank I started out with. It looks a bit messy right now, but we're gonna do a video where we clean it up and get it looking nice.
Look, you want to start your YouTube channel, right?
Yeah?
Well, I feel like all your other tanks are so good. For you to have a strong YouTube channel, you shouldn't have a tank looking like this anymore. I think this tank needs to go.
This won't do. Follow me. You've been keeping your fish tanks for a really long time, and I feel like you just need to upgrade. You deserve an upgrade on that tank. So we got something for you, Audrey. It's out in the truck.
What do you think?
This is awesome!
Brandon, what do we got for her?
So here we have a 40-gallon rimless tank and stand. We've got CJ whale canister filter. You gotta hold it all. Want to pile it all on you. George got you some merch.
We got the exclusive Coral Fish Club merch.
Have to throw the hat on.
I like that.
And then we have 2 of the Castle
Yeah, seriously.
880 tuna suns.
And you know what this is? This
Sand.
is legitimate Joey DIY pre-used sand.
Wait, who is that?
He signed it for you.
I saw you doing that in the
It
sand.
says-
Like and subscribe, This Girl Fish Girl.
Audrey, I like your merch. Where can you get it?
Coralfish12g.com.
Oh, that's my girl. Okay. We're going to set this up right now. You got the whole team here assembled at your service, and we're going to build you the ultimate freshwater aquarium setup.
What else do we need?
Water and fishies.
You want to just have an empty aquarium, or do you want the opposite
Oh, yeah,
of it?
the sticky things.
First things first, we need to tear down the old tank, the jank tank. This served years of purpose before and also taught valuable lessons of experience.
Don't put milk in your tank.
5 hours later. 5 hours later.
This comes with a stand.
We don't care if it works in all of it.
Abby, have you been sitting out here texting?
All right, out with the old and in with the new.
Please hurry.
We're going.
Ta-da, ta-da.
Looks great. It looks great.
So we got your tank in here. What do you think?
It is awesome.
We're gonna have some people set up the equipment while we go pick out some scaping materials for you from Aqua Studios.
And possibly stop by Walmart to get a new steps.
Do you like this sand, or should we go get some different ones?
I want black sand. I don't know what
Okay.
it is, but it sounds like a vortex.
Are you ready to go scape it?
Yeah.
Woo!
We're here at Aqua Studios, one of my favorite fish stores. It has tons of pretty fish. We got all the stuff from my saltwater aquarium, actually.
We have driftwood kind of everywhere. All of our natural stone is down here.
This is pretty. And it's heavy.
Whoa, whoa.
This is cool. Ow.
All right.
They're so heavy.
This is pagoda or 1,000-layer stone. That's what you want to go with?
Yeah, these are cool. Ow, they're heavy too. This one looks kind of like a dragon. Oh, okay, this is heavy, but it looks like a piece of cake.
Okay, so you got all your rock right there. What about
Yes.
driftwood?
You like that, guys? What about this one?
And then
This
I'll just
won't fit in my tank, Sean. This looks like it's a miniature tree.
I've mastered the ability of standing so incredibly still.
Oh my God, that is the laughing rock.
Audrey, what do you think? You got everything? Black sand, your rock, your wood. I think you're forgetting though, like one little,
The thermostat thingamajig.
the turbo start thingamajig.
Fritz Turbo Start.
Turbo Start 700.
This is live bacteria, and it's gonna start up your tank. Woo! Okay, we got our stuff. You ready?
Yes.
This is a canister filter. Corey is gonna help you set it up.
What these are, Audrey, are little bitty pieces of very porous rock. This is where the good bacteria that breaks down all the ammonia and nitrite is going to be found. This is where it's going to stay inside this canister filter to keep everything in your tank super healthy.
What I'm doing is I'm doing kind of a dry test fit, and I'm gonna try to figure out a plan for how it's gonna go in the end. I like to anchor the piece of wood with rocks. Building kind of a little base, that way it looks like a piece of wood's grown up out of the rock.
Okay, good job.
Tell me about the scape.
That one is Pride Rock, and that one is definitely a cannon.
All right, Audrey, what do you got there?
Bags of soil. Oh, ow.
And you're about to put your sand in.
The soil, George.
Oh,
This is where a lot of our nutrients are gonna come from for the roots of our plants.
Should I be punching the bag?
We want to fill in all around behind the rocks too.
This is awesome.
Corey,
Yo.
how are we looking down here?
Just putting all the things together, making sure none of the leaks leak.
What do you think, Jacob?
I think it looks amazing.
The scape is complete.
And we're gonna fill her up. So the reason we were using this plastic bag to make sure that the tank doesn't fog up, doesn't clear up. One of the oldest tricks in the book.
Boom, boom. You're in control.
Hold it. I can only for myself.
We're having some technical difficulties here getting this canister filter to run.
It's alive!
It's alive. It's Turbo Start.
You gotta shake that really good. Shake it out. All right. You shook out the bacteria is ready. The bacteria is ready to go. Release
Oh, it
it.
smells bad.
And there it goes. It's the $1 million shot right there. So all that bacteria that Audrey just poured in there is now gonna colonize in the water, in the sand bed. It's gonna go down to the filter.
Audrey.
Yeah, good talk.
Good talk. In a couple days, we're gonna head back to Aqua Studio and pick out some fish, maybe some plants for this tank. But for now, thank you guys for helping Audrey and I set this tank up.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Audrey. If people want to keep up with your tank, your new tank, where do they go to see the videos?
YouTube. This girl fish girl.
What else?
Oh yeah, Instagram. My Instagram is this girl fish girl.
Look who it is. You ready to pick out some stuff?
I've been looking.
Okay, we're back at Aqua Studios and we're gonna be picking out some fish for
Yes.
Audrey, this girl, fish girl. You got the vlog cameras. You definitely want that angel fish, right?
Yes,
Okay.
angel fish are cute.
do you think
would work in her tank plant wise?
I
Pretty
chose
much anything over there. I'll let her pick out some stuff.
I think I'm alright with 2 angels in one bag.
Now we're gonna start planting this tank.
Brandon, what kinds of stuff are we putting in here?
So today we're gonna do this awesome big Anubias. We're gonna do some Rotala, some Java Fern. We got some Sagittaria. This is pink Rotala. Those are gonna get really tall, Audrey, so we're probably gonna put those towards the back. And this is totally not the professional way to do all this.
think?
It's pretty.
Well, the tank looks really good. We gotta give some massive shout outs here to Brandon and Corey and all the guys at Aqua Studios, which is the fish store we visited and got all the stuff from here in Dallas. And then also to Fritz Team 6 for giving us our turbo start and some other stuff.
It's awesome.
You got the snails and the plants and the fish. It's a really impressive little setup here. Which means you gotta do the sign off.
Remember to keep those nitrates low. George.
And Audrey.
Out.